Hi guys, welcome back to Dope Chinese. I am 𝐿𝐶𝐫𝐬. Before, I have taught some common adjectives, nouns, and verbs that you must know, but it seems not enough. I have some students who can understand lots of Cantonese, but their Cantonese is just at beginner level. They can't help but saying these words in English instead of Cantonese. Today, let's learn some adverbs that you must know. I have already made a video about degree adverbs. Feel free to watch it. The first one, actually, 其實. When you're shopping in Hong Kong or Guangzhou and the shopkeeper feels nervous, you can tell her, actually, I can speak a little bit Cantonese. 其實我識講少少廣東話。其實我識講少少廣東話。識 to know. 講 speak 少少 a little bit. 廣東話 Cantonese. 其實我識講少少廣東話。Actually, I can speak a little Cantonese. The second one, must. 一定。If you come to Foshan, you have lots of things you must do or try. You must try to eat 順德魚生. It's like sliced raw fish. It's like the 順德 sashimi. 嚟到佛山順德，你一定要試下順德魚生。嚟到佛山順德，你一定要試下順德魚生。嚟到 arrive to, reach to. 順德 is my hometown. 一定要 must, have to. 試下 try. 嚟到佛山順德，你一定要試下順德魚生。When you come to 順德佛山, you must try 順德 sliced raw fish. 我食過一次，同啲配料一齊食嘅話好香。不過你哋最好食完之後食啲驅蟲藥，因為我都驚地。Number 3, about most of time, generally, normally, usually. As a rule, there are a few expressions like 平時、通常. We just use it roughly. So in small talk, we can just ask, 你平時鍾意睇啲咩書啊？你平時鍾意睇啲咩書啊？平時 usually 睇書 read books 啲 some 咩 what so 你平時鍾意睇啲咩書啊？ What kinds of books do you usually like to read? And I'm curious about this one. Do you take a shower in the morning or at night? 你通常朝早沖涼定係夜晚沖涼啊？你通常朝早沖涼定係夜晚沖涼啊？通常 generally, usually 朝早 in the morning 沖涼 take a shower 定係 here offer some options or 夜晚 at night 你通常朝早沖涼定係夜晚沖涼啊？ Do you take a shower in the morning or at night? Well, for me, I like both ideas, but I can't go to bed without taking a shower. And I'm thinking about 等天氣再暖啲，我會朝早做完運動之後沖涼。Do you think it's a good idea? What's more, when it comes to always, we will say 成日都。成日 literally means like the whole day. So we also use it for doing something all the time. Like 我成日都唔記得帶鎖匙。我成日都唔記得帶鎖匙。成日都 always 唔記得 forget 帶 bring 鎖匙 key 我成日都唔記得帶鎖匙 I always forget to bring the keys. Precautions since doing something all the time, so it will have a plural meaning here. So the 都 can't be left out. Number 4, how about sometimes? 有時 Nowadays, lots of people are addicted to their phones. They forget what they should do sometimes. So we could say 我玩下電話，我有時都唔記得我要做咩。我玩下電話，我有時都唔記得我要做咩。 玩電話 play our phone， 有時都 sometimes， 唔記得 forget， 我要做咩 what I need to do， 我玩下電話，我有時都唔記得我要做咩 I play on my phone, sometimes I forgot what I need to do. Is that you? Number 5, never. So we have 2 expressions for never. If you never do something as a habit or as a rule, it's always used as a way to refuse something. So we could say 從來都唔 For example, I never smoke. 我從來都唔食煙。我從來都唔食煙。食煙 smoke. So 食煙 need to means like eat the smoke. So next one. 我從來都唔中意買名牌。我從來都唔中意買名牌。名牌 is the famous brand. The other one, if you have never done something, so which is not a part of your life experiences, you should use 從來都冇。For example, 我從來都冇去過巴黎。我從來都冇去過巴黎。I have never been to Paris. So here we use the perfect tense about experiences something. 從來都冇去過。I never say that you are wrong. 我從來都冇講過你係錯嘅。我從來都冇講過你係錯嘅。你係錯嘅。You are wrong. 講 say speak 我從來都冇講過你係錯嘅。I have never said that you're wrong. Next one, number 6. However. 不過但係 if your coworker, he usually goes to work early. However, he's late today. We could say 佢平時好早返工，不過佢今日遲到咗。佢平時好早返工，不過佢今日遲到咗。平時 usually 好早 early 返工 go to work。不過 however 今日 today 遲到咗 be late so here don't say like in English we didn't use the past tense, so here we should say 遲到. No, when these things happen we just use the past tense. So 遲到咗 he usually go to work early, however he's late today. But here we are not talking about the conditional complex sentence. Be careful. Number 7, only 淨係 or just 淨. For example, I have only been there once. 我淨去過一次。我淨去過一次。我淨係去過一次。Both are okay. 淨係淨 only 去過 have been 一次 one time once。我淨係去過一次。I have only been there once. Next one. So if you keep calling your girlfriend but she doesn't answer your calls, so perhaps she is mad at you. Perhaps 可能點解我女朋友唔聽我電話㗎？可能佢嬲咗你。點解我女朋友唔聽我電話㗎？可能佢嬲咗你。點解 Why 我女朋友 my girlfriend 唔聽我電話。聽電話 answer phone 聽我電話 answer my phone。可能 perhaps 嬲咗你 be mad at you。 Number 9, still 仲 So some friends ask me, Gloria, should I chase my dreams now? Yes, you should, because 你仲後生，你仲有時間，你仲後生，你仲有時間，仲 still 後生 young 有時間 have time， 你仲後生，你仲有時間。You're still young and you still have time. The last one, finally, 最後 Where did you go during Chinese New Year? For me, nowhere. 呢度過年太多人啦，我哋最後都冇出去。呢度過年太多人啦，我哋最後都冇出去。呢度 here 過年it means celebrate Chinese New Year or just say Chinese New Year 太多人 too many people 最後 in the end 冇出去 didn't go out 呢度過年太多人啦，我哋最後都冇出去。There are too many people here during Chinese New Year. We didn't go out in the end. So that's what we learned today. If you would like to level up your Cantonese, please subscribe my YouTube channel to learn more. And if you would like to have a private lesson, contact me here. And see you soon. And I know it must be a little bit late. Happy Chinese New Year. 新年快樂，龍年大吉。拜拜。